from my bike. Parga, what are you doing? I'm backing up. I see you guys almost run him over. Riding a bike is very dangerous than driving a car.
Backpack, backpack.
Why are you even searching him? What did he do?
Hey, feel me? It's like...
Exactly. Why does he have to be detained? What did he do wrong? It is my business. I live in this community, and you guys are always unlawfully detaining people for no reason.
You have no idea what's going on.
Oh,
as
shoes
usual.
even gotta come off. Wow. You don't even know who he is yet, so how do you know he's a criminal? I have a job. You see what I'm dressed in? You see what I'm dressed in, Parga?
Stop pretending you're a nurse.
Okay, I'm pretending? Really? Really? I just dressed in a scrubs because I'm on my way to work. You're an idiot. You'll always be an idiot. Yeah. No, I'm gonna make sure that you don't hurt this man. You are being investigated for beating somebody up.
You have a job.
Oh, really? Keep telling myself? I don't have a job?
Can you wait behind the pillar, please?
No, I can't.
Yeah, I need you to wait behind the pillar.
Don't touch me, Parga.
Go stay behind the pillar.
Where's the
Stand
tape?
around for her.
Don't
Stand
touch me,
I don't need
Parga.
to
Don't touch me.
Stand right
Don't
there.
touch me. Don't touch
Yeah,
me.
I am. Stay behind
Don't
this
touch
pillar.
me, Parga. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm Jody Knight Media. Don't fucking touch me. Get your fuck. See him touching me, you guys? See him fucking grabbing my arm? See him fucking grabbing me? Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Get away from me. Keep your distance. Get away from me.
Stay behind that pillar.
No, I don't have to. Don't tell me what to do, Parga. Sorry, man. They're blocking the crosswalk. You can't even get by in a wheelchair now, right?
No, it's good.
Yeah.
I just know me and I have the same backpack. Yeah.
You only got out because the camera's here. Live fucking loser.
Dead air.
So they have a man detained for being on a bicycle. They almost ran him over. Actually, I'm sorry that I may have actually got that on camera with my dash cam. But Parga just physically pushed me back, trying to tell me to not film, which I'm going to keep filming. Accused me of not having a job, calling me a liar. Just like Dominguez.
Thank you for staying right there.
Morning, Deputy Lopez. Yes. So now he's probably going to find a reason to actually arrest him because I'm here. He's telling him he was driving unsafe on the boulevard now, trying to give him a reason.
Why are you there? Get a job.
Parga's a big man when he's standing there training somebody. Big Lopez here is standing here bodyguard for Parga, so I can't say. But, oh, look, he's getting let go because they found nothing, and they're letting him go. How amazing is that, as usual? Search him, detain him for no fucking reason.
You don't know the reason.
I know.
thanking him for not taking him to jail. Have a good day, Parga. Have a good day, Parga. I guess I'll go to work now since I'm not a nurse. Since I'm not a nurse, and I don't work, huh? Yeah, I keep telling myself that, fucking loser. Hey man, what they pull you over for?
Running the light.
What's that?
Running the light. I'm okay.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, if you think that was just what they just did to you?
Yeah, it would.